Good morning. It's Dave again. Dave on ViewPass. We've got a bit more done on the G code, flattening out the cowl to create the G code. What we've done so far, we've split up the cowl into sections. So we've got first pocket the top bit there. And we do the inner bit there, and we do the bottom holes, and then the other one, and keep going down, and then we're back up to the top for these 4 screws on this last one. We've got to change the bit diameter from 5mm for these to 3.5mm. So I've outputted each one as a separate file, CNC file. So you've got 6 files. So if you go, just minimize that a minute. What I've got is this, gone to this online G code plotter. So I can load in each of my 6 files. And this is going to be taking out the first 7mm off the model, so we can quickly play it. This will basically is the same as what your CNC machine will be doing. So you can play it out before you actually go to cut it. So there is one error I'll show you in a minute. That's not my fault. It's the program. So it must be an error in the Ruby script. So that's that one. Let's go to the next one. Here we are. Right, this is the middle of the pocket that goes quite deep. I won't play it all. But you can see as it's going down in 2mm steps. So it'll mill out in 2mm steps. I haven't set the feed rate. I've set it at half of what the default is in Mach 3. So I'm not in a rush. What I'm after is less dust, more chunks. Just have to see what that turns out like. So today I'm just showing you through the tool path from the G code. Right, let's stop that one there. I'll go to the next one. Now there is one little error which I don't know if it's going to cause me much of an issue or not. This is the cable entry and the cable clamp area, and also let's just run it while we're talking. Yeah. And also the main holes that go straight through to the bottom. So that's what your tool will do. The 5mm bit, it's about 30mm long before it gets to the shank. And the material is 45mm thick. But when I get to this stage, if I do it in the right order, the wooden material won't be in the way to get past the 30mm of the bit and hit the shoulder of the shank, if that's what the correct term is. Anyway, I'll stop that there. I'll keep this a short one. So right, so the next one is, I believe, that one. Yeah, so no, probably not that one, was it? Hang on, probably missed one. Yeah, there's the hole for the cable gland. So basically, instead of, all I'll have to cut is this end bit, but because I want to keep the safe distance, if the key code is finished, it's going to send the head all the way back to 0, 0. Now, if I was to set the height here, just the thickness it needs to be cut at, the head will come back and smash straight through my model. So I'm basically going to be cutting. Hang on, straight again. I'm basically going to be cutting air, just fresh air, till it gets to here. So it's going to take a bit of wasted time, but I'm not that bothered just for my prototypes. Okay, let's get to the next one. It's getting a bit late this morning. Alright, so these are just the holes that so basically it's just going to plunge. I'll play it again. So it basically just plunges it, but in 2mm steps. So it should be able to drill without going too fast. Okay, so that turned out okay. Now the problem I was on about earlier is this last one. Now, it doesn't matter how I generate it, the plunge percentage was supposed to be 100%. And you can see all the rest, this was applied from the flat script, flat boys tool, the plunge tool. I've set it to 100%, but it only went to there. So the G code is incorrect, it's generating the wrong G code. But only on the first one, the rest are right. So if I play that, you can see as it's just in reverse and then down again. So if I go to the start, this bit here is not going to drill enough, so I might have to finish that one off manually. But I should be able to edit the G code here. So this first one tells you all the movements, so I should be able to copy and paste the G code, but I'll leave it for now. Anyway, so there's that. I'll leave it at that. That's a quick so I've got my G code ready to be milling. So the next thing is just to either try it on some scrap wood or just get the machine doing it, and then I can watch it and maybe do some alterations if need be. So I should be able to, over the next couple of days, do an actual cutting. I'll record the video of it cutting, and you can see the CNC in action cutting the wood. Might be a bit noisy with the vacuum overing up the bit, so what I'll probably do is just I'll probably overdub it after, so you don't have to hear the whole thing. Maybe I'll give you a few sections of it, and I'll cut in with some voiceovers. Okay, that's going to be it. I'm Dave from UPass, just designing an ESP audio video intercom cowl for all my electronics to pop into. Have a look at the other videos if you're not quite sure, if you're just seeing this video, make more sense. Alright, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.